get a little portion of the 25%. Oh, no. 25% is covered by tomorrow. But you get a portion of it. And then they'll pay you back.
They're writing it down. Like, oh, if I get 21 though. And after the house is paid, all the story.
Alright, come on.
In headlines.
Sure, buddy. Oh, yeah? Cool. It's not really that very much. Have a good one.
Yeah, you too. One of the three. Emma. They won the green. Emma. Yeah, Emma. That's my favorite. That's because their eyes red as well. Yeah, I think they did. Yeah, it's Emma's niece. Speak loudly, kids. Awesome! It looks like a warm up.
Yeah, I'm gonna try scoring 3
Have a good one. Yeah, man.
See you later.
See you guys. See ya.
Yeah, but I have to go home to sleep.
Dust in the furniture or something. He can't.
We're right over there.
Thank goodness. You think? Yeah.
And
I'm not that loud.
Take somewhere long to
Oh, nice hit there. Woo!
Ah.
Huh? You picking her up?
Oh, my brother's here and I'm not taking brother.
Okay, yeah, on that thing.
I could prod it too.
Don't get
Too bad it's on the food. I was one time trying to do
Mike must come back.
Somehow I didn't eat it.
Oh my goodness, that
It
was
was like a weak ass thrown down at the
no shit.
There were 3 chicks. The hottest chicks you ever want to see. And they had a Hamilton out of the Lee jersey. Oh, they had on my jersey.
Like that. Cross now from right to left. Teenagers. Just there. These guys. These girls. Boys, girls. Girls.
I'm going to pretend to get volleyball again, so don't freak out.
Is he or me? No, you can go.
What's your name?
John.
What's your last name?
Watch back off. I'll back off.
Yeah.
Right, you can take it now.
Well, I already know where 9 points is at.
That's freaking awesome.
Is it? Like down in Tarnatown?
Down by Bulltown.
I know where Bullfrog is at.
Is that what they call Georgetown? We just call it Bullfrog. We call it
Yeah, I can hang out at Bullfrog Inn for a little bit and get some drinks on. Yeah, that'd be cool.
Yeah, man.
Well, you got two sisters and take it.
Oh, you guys got your team. Yeah, I got actually on board.
You can go later on.
I'm not sure about it. You gotta take some people along.
Everybody's like, Intercourse is gonna win.